Do you want to learn how to make Neem Night Cream? This cream has natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and healing properties which will help to remove acne, pimple and some other skin irritation. So stay tuned. So to make this cream, we are going to be using neem leaf. You can also decide to use fresh or powdered neem leaf. So I'm already plucked the neem leaf. I'm going to wash it to remove any dirty. Neem leaf contains minerals, vitamin C, which is good for our skin, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. It will help to improve our skin. So add the washed neem leaf into the blender. Add little water, then blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to strain to get the juice. To make this Neem Night Cream, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of neem leaf juice. I'll be making use of aloe vera gel, which will help to moisturize the skin, relieve redness, good for treating skin condition like acne, sunburn. So I'll be adding a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Adding vitamin E oil, some few drops of vitamin E oil. This will help to moisturize the skin, reduce skin irritation, and encourage skin healing. The full oil I'll be using is castor seed oil. This oil will penetrate the skin, boost the production of collagen, help to soften, hydrate the skin, and it has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of castor seed oil. After adding all the ingredients, mix until well combined. So this is a healing herbal cream that will help to soothe skin irritation, this cream is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and minerals. It is very effective for treating dark circle, acne, skin spots, eczema, pimples, skin irritation, rashes, and it will help to penetrate the skin, boost the production of collagen, and hydrate the skin. So for effective results, use for at least 7 days. Apply on a clean washed face, leave it to sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse out and moisturize your skin. So if you have problem with acne, pimple, dark spot and skin irritation, try this Neem Gel cream. It is so good because it will help to clean your skin and brighten your skin to give you a glowing skin.